Oracle Identity Cloud Service integrates with Oracle Access Manager, or OAM, to create hybrid solutions that provide existing on-premise users access to the cloud. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Oracle Identity Cloud Service with OAM to allow users to log in using federated single sign-on. In a federated single sign-on environment, users authenticate first with an identity provider and then use an authentication token to access content provided by a service provider. In this integration, we'll configure OAM as the identity provider, which creates a SAML token for access to Oracle Identity Cloud Service. The user from OAM is mapped to a user in Oracle Identity Cloud Service without the need to re-authenticate. First, we configure OAM as an identity provider in Oracle Identity Cloud Service. Then, we configure Oracle Identity Cloud Service as a service provider in OAM. Last, we test the federated login and enable it. So let's get started. In order to configure OAM as an identity provider, we need to export the SAML 2.0 metadata in the OAM console. Next, we configure a new identity provider in Oracle Identity Cloud Service and import the metadata file. The metadata file contains information such as endpoint URLs and signing certificates that allow trust to be established. We're using the user's email address as the mapping attribute. This attribute is used to map the OAM user to an Oracle Identity Cloud Service user. Oracle Identity Cloud Service supports the SAML 2.0 federation standard as a service provider and accepts the valid SAML token as a relying party. Now that OAM is configured as a SAML partner to Oracle Identity Cloud Service, we need to configure Oracle Identity Cloud Service as a partner in OAM. Service providers are configured in OAM as a partner under Identity Provider Management. We set the email address as the name ID value in OAM for the partner. This attribute is used to map one and only one user in the Oracle Identity Cloud Service. Back in the Oracle Identity Cloud Service console, we can now test the federation before enabling it. With an enabled identity provider, we can also activate the login chooser. The login chooser allows us to authenticate with either the identity provider or Oracle Identity Cloud Service. With the configuration complete, we now have a choice when we log into Oracle Identity Cloud Service. We click the identity provider link for a federated login using SAML. When we click the link, we're redirected to the identity provider for authentication. A SAML assertion is created and sent to Oracle Identity Cloud Service in a browser post-operation. If the assertion is valid, we're mapped to a user in Oracle Identity Cloud Service and authenticated there as that user. After login, the Identity Cloud Service homepage is displayed, confirming that the integration is fully functional. Since the Oracle Identity Cloud Service includes an ability to edit your user profile and reset your password, we need to configure our user as a federated user. A federated user can no longer change their password on Oracle Identity Cloud Service. Federated users manage their passwords at the identity provider. In this video, you've seen how the Oracle Identity Cloud Service can be integrated with Oracle Access Manager. We configured Oracle Access Manager as an identity provider for Oracle Identity Cloud Service. The completed configuration allows users to first log into OAM as the identity provider and then Oracle Identity Cloud Service using their federated single sign-on token. This video is based on an Oracle by example tutorial on the Oracle Learning Library. Thank you for watching.